I was buying food at the store when I saw a little lost puppy. I gave him some food and he kept coming after me. Each time I tried to leave, he looked at me with big set eyes that seemed to say, "Take me with you." He walked next to me all the way home. When we got to my house, I could see he was very dirty and needed water. I gave him a bath. He was scared at first, but then he liked the warm water. The bath water turned brown because he was so dirty. I took him to the animal doctor the next day to make sure he was okay. He got his shots and medicine to keep him healthy. Now he's my best friend. He may not be a special breed, but he gives me so much love. Each morning he wakes me up with a happy tail wag and lots of kisses. If you ever see a lost dog or cat on the street, please help them. They just need food, care, and a loving home. Every pet deserves to be safe and happy.